My name's Robert. This is a 2017 Subaru STI. I own a small company called Audiofreaks in Clearwater, Florida. We do custom stereo, fiberglass work, more of the custom base racing. But we built this car because all the kids are into street racing and racing at the track right now. It was built by DRP and Green Cove Springs, Florida. They are actually #1 right now for the fastest Subaru. This has full build on the motor, carbon fiber drive shafts, A-arms, still working on it, still going back to the shop. Close to about 45,000 into the motor and suspension. It is a real street car with AC that puts down some real power from a 4-cylinder. Been into car scenes my whole life. Had kids, wife made me get rid of my real race car. Finally talked her into letting me buy a family car that was all-wheel drive. Supposed to be stock, lasted about 3 months before the warranty was void. My dad actually owned a garage working on cars, so always tinkering around in the garage, building transmissions, rebuilding motors with my dad since I was about 8. Just got the knack for doing it my own. Met about 7 customers already in the last 3 months coming here, different builds for stereos for their cars, and just have a good time. Quaker Steak, good food, you know, good people. I guess once it's in your blood, it's in your blood, and you can't leave nothing stock anyway, so